Second, Publication 515, Mr. Faulkner, I really hope you'll reconsider your motion, and here's why. That publication implements Alquist-Priolo and the Seismic Hazards Map Act. Those are the laws you need to be worried about, not just the municipal code. If the municipal code allows things so that Manchester can skate underneath the radar and avoid any public criticism and avoid having the city council review the seismic report to make sure it's legit and make sure that no one's put at risk, that's got to be done publicly. It's those laws that say at the time of project approval. They don't talk about permits. They talk about project approval. I gave you a quote of those statutes in the materials. Read it. They say project approval. The issue of setbacks and standoffs. You've heard the Navy say that they're going to comply with the ATFP standards. Those standards didn't exist.
What does that mean?
Anti-terrorism force protection. October 2003, they were issued by DOD. All you've heard today is that the Navy and Manchester are going to comply with the development agreement. The ATFP standards didn't exist. If you read those standards, I've given you a copy of them, they tell you what the setbacks are. It's got to be 148 feet for this project. You've got the site map. It's 84 feet. Do the math. If Mr. Strauss is right that nothing else actually triggers CEQA, why did he go to court to get a judge to rule on this issue? If there's nothing else that's discretionary under the development agreement, why waste the court's time and the taxpayers' time defending that lawsuit if it's true? Nobody asked him that question. If your agreement says that the public can never come before you and question what CC is doing on this project, why the lawsuit? And lastly, Mr. Faulkner, or the city attorney, whoever raised the issue about groundwater and the follow-up, why do you ask Ms. Teller? Everybody's been hypothesizing today about what if. Why don't you ask her legal opinion if it turns out that there's heavy metals in the groundwater? Would that be a significant new information or significant change in circumstances? See what the answer to that question is. Thank you.